Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami bird with a baby bird. We can keep this model on the table like this. This is a single paper model. I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the cross crease. Now keep the color side on the top and do the plus crease. Collapse the paper into preliminary base by keeping the color side inside. Lift one flap and bring it to this tip and make a new crease. Lift that flap and place it on the right hand side. Now repeat the same step again. Now keep this triangle on the left hand side, then flip the model. Then fold down the flap by leaving 1 cm gap from the center crease here. Then here also leave around 1 cm, then make a new crease. Lift the flap and fold a small triangle inside. And here you can see the beak now. To make the baby bird, align this flap with the center crease. Then make a crease. Open the flap, then flatten it like this. Fold a small triangle here. Then fold that flap towards left hand side. Fold the small triangle down by leaving a small gap from the center crease as we did for the bigger bird. Turn the model and fold the triangle inside to create the stand, slightly away from the center crease. Fold a small triangle inside as demonstrated. Give a curve shape by folding small triangle inside. Origami bird with the baby bird is ready. You can place it on the table like this. Isn't it cute? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.